Am I the a-hole for taking a 3-hour nap every afternoon, and expecting my husband to look after the kids, and only wake me up for emergencies? My husband and I have been married for 5 years. We have a 4-year-old daughter and a 3-month-old son. Our son has a health condition and needs to be fed every 40 to 80 minutes. I work in IT and can easily work from home and generally make my own schedule. My husband works from 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. I get up every hour at night to feed our son so my husband can sleep. I drop our daughter off at kindergarten in the morning and then work and look after our son. I obviously don't get much sleep during the night, so I have started to go to sleep from 3:30 to 7 p.m. And I made it clear that I am not to be woken up unless it's an emergency. My husband looks after the kids and cooks tea while I'm asleep, and at 7 we all eat. After that we take turns reading stories to our daughter as a bedtime ritual. She's usually down for the night at 8. Then my husband and I have us time from 8 to roughly 9:30, which is when he goes to sleep. After that it's only me looking after our son so my husband can sleep through the night. I usually do some more work and go to